And put it in the pressure cooker or boiled in the slow cooker, and then you can do all of this stuff after. There's several ways to make it, but this is one way.
By fresh, you mean dried chickpea.
That's what I mean. Yes, because you can get fresh in the little thing, but don't. No, those are for different purposes.
But we're using canned chickpeas
Yes,
today. What
yes.
size is that, please?
28 ounces.
Okay, so 28 ounces of chickpeas. All right, we're ready to rock
So
and roll.
that pan is hot. Olive oil, right. So you put like 2 ladles of that in there, okay?
2 ladles, 2 large spoonfuls of vegetable oil.
You can say 1 large.
1
I
large.
put 2 half, but it's 1 large.
Okay, it's 1 large. Yes, toast the bottom of the pot and heat it up. He's gonna put cumin. Toast the cumin in the oil.
These are cumin seeds, is that correct?
Just like
Yes.
half tablespoon, teaspoon.
Half of a teaspoon?
Yeah. And you can use fresh garlic after that, or you can use this one is ready-made already garlic and ginger paste.
Let me get a picture of that first. Hold on. Yeah, hold it. Wait. Okay, ready.
It's like 1 onion.
This is your soy sauce, right? Yeah. Come up, I can't pour it. Use the soy flour, put whatever you want in it, and I'll put it in there. Come over here. Garam masala? Chana masala, yeah. Go ahead. Oh, go ahead. You put one or the other? Up to
You can
you.
use garam masala. If you don't want to chana masala, you
Yeah,
can use garam
you don't
masala.
have to. She's saying that she rinses all the dry spices and she dries them and she toasts them. I think she puts them in a pan and puts them in the oven on like a low temperature. They roast and then she puts them in a coffee blender. Or the
Turmeric powder.
Turmeric?
Yeah.
adding green chilies. You can add red if you want, if you don't have green. And we had nice ginger and garlic all chopped for you. But we figured this would be easier for you. Right?
Yeah.
He said that. Yes, sir. He knows. Salt. We use Himalayan at home. White iodine. I said this is also called a masala, what he's preparing in the pot. Masala just means mixture. So the other mixture was garam is hot masala. This is your chana masala. You know, there's all kinds of masala. Tikka masala. Just a mixture of all those spices. Yeah. Yeah. Different masala. The basic ones, onion, ginger, garlic, onion, adding tomatoes.
Adding tomato sauce, like 2 tablespoons.
Add 2 tablespoons of canned tomato sauce.
Did you drain it or just out of the can?
Because this is thick, and if you have fresh tomatoes, do that. If you have tomato sauce, you can drain them if you want, but you don't have to. So the gravy is a little thicker, but then you have to watch the salt, things like that. So I drained half of it. Oh, that's your masala. Look, it's all come together. Yeah. My mom taught me. I always remembered when I was cooking everything. 7 things I have to make:
Then you have
onion, ginger,
Chole in
garlic, tomato, salt, turmeric, and chili, red or green or whatever. So those 7 things, that's what you start with, and then put whatever vegetable or chickpea or.
How long does this cook for?
You can cook around 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes?
About 10 minutes.
So now we're going to cook this for about 10 minutes. Covered or uncovered?
Uncovered is okay.
So cook this for about 10 minutes after you've assembled all of your ingredients, uncovered, and if necessary, you could add some water to your mixture.
Yes, to make a gravy, which we would call sunny with a T. We don't know what curry is. Indians don't know what curry means.
Yeah, that was the
So-
point I'm going to make. Yeah.
No cool.
a few minutes if I am
so
allowed
he's making
to.
Gently smashing the chickpeas, not all of them, but just some. And that way you get like a creamy, chunky consistency. You could do that when you cook beans too.
Yeah, thicker gravy.
I'm sure you know that. Now, tell them what you're doing. What is this?
That's
It's
the,
methi.
that's the fenugreek leaves, dried fenugreek that we just passed around the box. Fenugreek. I know it's not there, it's dry mint, but all of that stuff is in the Chana Masala. That's why it's a little bit different. It's got a little baking soda in there. It's got the fenugreek leaves already in there. It's a little bit different than the garam masala, so it's easier. Here he crushed them in his hand, and then he just sprinkled a little bit in there.
And then when you're done, then you top this with your fresh
that's
cilantro.
just for garnish and fragrance.